Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about some of the funniest gaming moments from the Big Bang Theory. In this episode, we see Sheldon, Leonard, Howard, Raj and Penny spending a lot of time playing different video games. What starts as simple fun slowly turns into a crazy adventure. At the beginning, the group is playing an online game together. They are trying to complete mission and fight enemies, but things do not go as planned. They get defeats by some young players. Sheldon becomes frustrated because he used to be very good at games. He starts feeling that he is getting older and is not as talented as before. The funny part is that Sheldon cannot accept losing. He keeps thinking about why kids are now better than him. His friends try to make him feel better, but Sheldon is still upset. Meanwhile, Penny becomes interested in online gaming. At first, she knows nothing about the games. She asks simple questions and makes engineer mistakes. Everyone laughs at her because she is a complete beginner, but something unexpected happens. Penny quickly becomes addicted to the game. She starts playing all day and all night. She levels up her character and becomes excited about every small achievement. Soon, gaming becomes more important than her normal daily life. She events visits Sheldon late a night to ask gaming questions. Sheldon becomes shocked because Penny suddenly wants to discuss games strangers all the time. Their rules completely change. Earlier, Sheldon was the gaming expert, but now Penny is becoming obsessed with the game. One of the funniest scenes happens when Sheldon and his friend are on a dangerous mission to get a powerful item called the Sword of Azeroth. Everyone is fighting together and working as a team. The battle becomes intense. Enemies attack from every side. Players are shooting instruction. Everyone is trying to survive. But then Sheldon finds the legendary sword. Instead of the helping his friends, he becomes completely focused on the sword. He forgets about teamwork and only cares about his new trees. His friends are left behind while Sheldon enjoys his victory. This scene perfectly shows how competitive Sheldon can be. Later, we see another funny gaming storyline involved 14. Howard wants to learn how to play so he can beat Burdett. Denies agrees to teach him. At first, Howard struggles with Even the basic controls denies become impotent and gives him tug advice. Slowly Howard improves and gains confidence, but surprise everyone. Even thought she pretended pretended to be, she turned turns out to be very skilled. She defeats Howard easily and enjoyed every second of it. Howard cannot believe this is happening. The episode also shows how video game car can bring people together, friends love together, complete with each other, and create unforgettable memories. Another hilarious moment comes when Sheldon tries to decide between the PlayStation and gaming consoles. He spends hours comparing every small features. He looks at memories, graphics, design, storage, and many other details. Even after doing all the research, he still cannot make decision. His friends become tired of listening to him. Sheldon keep changed his mind again and again. The perfectly matches his personality because he always overthinks simple choice. Overall, these gaming episodes are full of comedy, friendship, and relatable moments. Anyone who has ever played video games will understand the excitement, competition, and frustration shows in this sense. That's why this gaming episode remains some of the most loved moments in the entire series. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you the next video.